Hi students, I hope you're doing well. As you know, I'm at the Humanities Retreat. So for this lesson, you will need the following things: a pen, pencil, markers, etc. The development indicator worksheet that can be found in the black paper bin, and your development indicator poster if you have not finished the poster. You'll also need line white paper, and later on in the lesson, you'll need the week news magazine, which is found at the side of the classroom. Now, depending on your homeroom, you're going to start the lesson in a different place. So 8PG, you are going to start with task number 4, continued, the 5-finger summary, and I'll explain that. All my other lovely homerooms, you are going to start with task 4, continued, the development indicators poster. Now, I have already explained to you what you are doing for your development indicator poster. Basically, you're reading the top of the worksheet, and I have assigned to you a particular indicator. If you don't have an indicator, then just choose one of the indicators that are most interesting to you. Remember, these indicators are life expectancy, GDP per capita, percentage undernourished, adult literacy rate, percentage with access to clean, safe water, so on and so forth. What you are doing is you are drawing a picture about that indicator and only that indicator. Okay, focus on the indicator and not on comparing countries. Remember, you are working with your East Travel buddy or whoever I paired you up with. Now, after you have finished your development indicator poster, you need to move on to task number 4, continued, which requires you to read an article in the week news magazine. Now, 8PG, this is where you're starting this lesson. You're going to search for and read an article in the week. The article has to be related to development, economy, or any one of the development indicators that can be found on that worksheet. Then what you are going to do is take lined white paper and trace your hand with pen, pencil, marker, crayon, I don't care, okay? You'll trace your hand. After you get finished reading the article, you are going to summarize that article, but not in a regular old-fashioned 5 to 7 sentences. Instead, in the thumb, and your traced out thumb, you're going to list any important people that were mentioned in the article. In the forefinger, you are going to just write where and when this article takes place, right? The subject of the article. In the middle finger, you're going to write down what happened. And your ring finger, you're going to write down what was the problem, the conflict, the important things that we should know about this particular topic. And in the pinky, write down any solutions. Now, if in the article they don't present any solutions, you should brainstorm and think of solutions to the problem. If in the article there were no problems presented, then I want you to foresee or predict some possible problems dealing with the article in terms of development, economy, or any of the development indicators. And then finally, in the palm, you're going to write down the main idea of the article. Okay, so that's how you do the 5-finger retail summary. Now, after you have finished task 4, continued, that means you've done the poster, you've done your 5-finger retail summary on any article in the week, then you are going to go on to the back sheet of your 5-finger retail summary, and in 1 to 2 paragraphs, 5 to 7 sentences each, you are going to answer this question. If you landed in a strange country and didn't know where you were, how could you tell if it was an MDC or a country with emerging markets? So that means I want you to discuss our development indicators, okay? By this time, you have taken notes on measuring development. You have read about development indicators. You have created a poster on a development indicator, and you have read an article and summarized the article dealing with development, the economy, and our development indicators. By now, you should be able to write 1 to 2 paragraphs further discussing how do we go about measuring development for countries. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you keep all of your work and be prepared to show it to me next lesson. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.